Dude, we gotta make a Harlem Shake video.
Nah, no, we don't.
What? Why?
Why? Because they're played out?
Dude, no, they are not, man. They're so hot right now.
Okay, what are you gonna do that's so different then? You're gonna wear like a pink wig instead of everyone else because everyone else wears red wigs?
No, man, it'll be different. It'll have difference.
Dude, just let it go, man. It's not happening.
Man, fuck you. I'm doing it.
Con los terroristas.
The Harlem Shake.
Told you that shit was dumb.